On June 11, 2025, Trooper First Class Tyler Nelson was patrolling northbound on Midland Boulevard near K. Rogers Park when he observed a black Chevrolet Trax. A routine registration check revealed that the vehicle's registration was suspended and that insurance coverage was unconfirmed.
Midland and 50th, boy Adam X-ray, 31 David, BAX, 31 B, it's a black track. He's blacked out. Northbound on 50th, 88. Northbound 50th, 88. Correction, southbound. Turn left, turn right. Going back towards Kelly. Still blacked out. Coming up to Johnson. Clear left to right. He wrecked out Kelly and 50th.
As the vehicle approached Kelly Highway, the suspect ran the intersection and collided with an eastbound Subaru Impreza and a stationary Honda Civic that was stopped at the light. The impact disabled the suspect's vehicle, and Trooper Nelson conducted a high-risk stop. The driver, later identified as Austin Osman, was ordered out at gunpoint and taken into custody without further resistance. While patrolling Interstate 630 in Little Rock, Arkansas, a trooper initiated a traffic stop on an older model Chevrolet Silverado. The vehicle was spray-painted black and displayed an expired license plate that was registered to a different vehicle. Upon making contact, the trooper observed that the driver, later identified as Anthony Frazier, appeared to be under the influence of methamphetamine. A check of the vehicle's VIN confirmed that the truck had been reported stolen. The female passenger was questioned, then transported to her residence and released without charges. Anthony Frazier was taken into custody, and the vehicle was secured.
You don't have no pockets, Steve. Can we put her in your car for a second? Trying to run in a freaking 90s model Chevy pickup on 630.
I was turning around and seeing it. I knew it was coming. When you said it was spray painted black, I was like, yeah.
Tags expired in 2022. He took the exit when we took off, and then I got behind him, and he gets right back on the interstate. So I knew that was coming. So, I don't know. I hadn't ran it yet. I'm on the stop.
Local officers attempted to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver refused to yield. blowing through exits and weaving through traffic with no regard for safety.
Show me 1037. We are southbound, 167 north, just passing 57. Speed light, or traffic light, speed about 120. It's passing on the shoulder. Semis up here, kind of block the road, it's passing and turning right now.
The suspect barreled through multiple intersections, ignored red lights, and even drove on the wrong side of the road at times, putting pedestrians and motorists at serious risk.
TBI here, Grade 69. He's going in oncoming traffic in the hill, backing off. Brakes on him. He's doing southbound.
436 comes down to your patch with Brake County with her as well.
10, we're coming up the north interchange now. Southbound on the bypass, just past the interchange.
Alright, I'm passing the red barn, I'll get you quickly again.
1047.
Eastbound. At Oklahoma. Bring down Oklahoma. 10-400.
Whoever's in this is forward, let me stop.
The pursuit came to an end when the officer executed a successful pit maneuver, forcing the suspect's vehicle to a stop. The driver was immediately taken into custody without further incident, officially bringing the chase to a close. On May 26, 2025, a trooper was positioned on the shoulder of RAI 49 northbound near exit 76 when a white SUV was observed traveling at 101 miles per hour in a 70 mile per hour zone. The trooper activated emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop.
Same thing. Simple. We're still eastbound on Wagon Wheel, Matthew.
Okay, you want me to 19?
Well, he turned his flashers on, but it's odd because, I mean, we're going a ways down.
Okay, I'm coming.
The suspect exited onto Wagon Wheel Road, then turned south on 40th Street and began fleeing. The vehicle reached speeds of 90 miles per hour, passed in no passing zones, and drove into oncoming lanes. The trooper notified dispatch and continued the pursuit.
1037, Matthew. 1037, South Tower. Traffic speed.
Near Bel Air Road, the trooper performed a pit maneuver, successfully stopping the suspect vehicle. The driver exited through the passenger side and fled on foot. After a brief foot pursuit, the suspect fell and surrendered. He was taken into custody without further incident.